Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read naka, or han in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means half. It has 5 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like han. On its own, it is usually naka. A line splitting a shape evenly, straight down the middle. Now, let's write it. 5 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen, in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Hanbun. Hanbun means half. Hantoshi means half a year. And sanjihan. Sanjihan means 3:30. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Ira, read taira, flat. Ishu, read hitsuji, sheep. Notice the small differences. So, that's han, half. 5 strokes, read naka or han. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.